Hello students, welcome to the another lecture of Python series. This is the another video of over Python variables, and today we are going to learn about the output variables, how we can output variables. Okay, so print function is often used to output variables. As we know, if we want to print something in the output, we use the print function. For example, x equals to Python is awesome, print x. We assign the value Python is awesome to a variable x, and print x will print the value assigned to the variable x. In the print function, you output multiple variables separated by a comma. Okay, if we have multiple variables with values, okay, and we have and we want to use only one print function, so we can give the variable names in the print function and separate it using comma. This will print all the values of different variables. For example, we can see x equals to Python, y equals to is, and z equals to awesome, and print x comma y comma z will print all three values. We don't need to use three different print functions. You can also use the plus operator to output multiple variables, like x is Python, y equals to is, and z equals to awesome. Three values assigned to three variables x, y, and z, and print x plus y plus z. This will print Python is awesome. And also one thing to remember, the plus function, the plus operator is used for one tab space or a white space between two words in a sentence. Like now this example, using this example, this will print Python is awesome, and if we remove the plus operator and directly write the x, y, z, it will print it Python is awesome. This will print like this. For example, the space character after Python and is, without them the result would be Python is awesome with no space. Okay, so we have to use it. And in for mathematical thing, when we use two numerical or integer, when we give two integer value to two variables and use the mathematical operator plus, it will give the answer by adding the values of both the variables. Okay, so plus operator is used in string value to print that, and if we use plus for int value, it will give the answer by adding them together. In the print function, when you try to combine a string and a number with the plus operator, Python will give you an error. This is very notable point. If we assigned an integer value to one variable and a string value to another variable, and we want to print both the values using one print function, and we applied plus operator, this will give the error. We can't use two different data types to print using print by adding up additional operator between two variables. Okay, it is must that both the value assigned to all the variables will be have same data type. Okay, the best way to output multiple variables in the print function is to separate them with comma, which even support different data type. Okay, if we have this type of values and this type of variable, and we want to print them in using one single print variable, we can simply separate them using the comma function. Look how it works. If x equals to 5 and y equals to John, print x comma y. This will print 5 and John without any error. We can't use mathematical operator, but we can separate it using comma, and it will give the proper output what we are expecting. This is the question. Consider the following code. Print hello world. What will be the printed result? And these are the options. You have to choose the right option by using this print function, which hello world will be printed, and you have to comment the answer in the comment box. I will check there. So this is it about today's lecture, how we can output variables. First is simply by giving the variable name into print function. Second is separating using comma. Third one is separated using plus operator. but now if we use it for int values, it will give the it will give the output as addition of those two value which we assign to the variables. And if we are adding two different data types, it will give the error, but when we separate it using comma, it will give the perfect output what we are expecting. So thank you so much, and please watch the video of Python programming at GateMate Learning app and download this app from the Play Store. Thank you.